Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna unbox the 20-watt Qi wireless charger from Xiaomi. So to get started, we're gonna take a look at the box. First, on the front we have a pic of the wireless charger. As you can see, it is fully white and doesn't look that big. On the sides we have some text telling us that this is a wireless charger from Xiaomi. Finally, on the back, we have some specs showing us that this device can be wired up to 20 volts 1.35 amp. That means a 27 watt charger, and that the Qi charger is able to deliver up to 20 watt wireless charge for a compatible smartphone. Opening the box, we can find three things. First is the Qi charger, then we have two pieces of paper. As you can see, the first paper is the instruction manual, so we get info about how to set this Qi charger up and how to place your device correctly on it. You also get a Chinese warranty card, so that means this charger is covered by a warranty in case of problems. And finally, we have the Qi charger in white color. So on the device, you can find a USB-C port to wire your Qi charger and a light indicator that's going to light up once the device is charging onto the charger. Finally, under the Qi charger, we can find the specs of the device one more time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time.